Okay, we know one way Stella got her groove back, but here is another. Today we are in Lago Mar, and this is a Western home floor plan named Stella. And honey, this floor plan is everything. And when I say everything, I do mean everything. Now, this door does open, which it would have been so beautiful if I could have opened it, but my height does not allow me to reach those heights. But it does open and will give a beautiful stance, a beautiful ambiance when both are open. So this is our foyer. We are in the foyer, and this is our study. Look at those beautiful double doors. Let's just swing them open. And here we go. This is what we have in our study. I was gonna save this for later, but look, Weston normally has the beautiful spiral staircase, but this is a square staircase, and I think it's just as beautiful. This home, oh, I am just so in love with it. So we have a half bath here. We have our coat closet here. We have the utility room here. Look at the floors. We have another closet here. And we have this closet. Now we have our separate toilet area. And here's our first vanity, separate shower and tub. Love, love, love the tub. Now look at those. You know, I love my double doors. I just do. So if y'all hear this joy in my voice, it's because I love this home. I do. So this is our primary. And if you're saying that, oh, that seems kind of big, because it is. It is a nice size for the primary. So let's leave out the primary. And I know y'all know what this is coming up. The kitchen. My next favorite place, because your girl loves to cook. And if you love to cook, you have a big family. Look at all this counter space you have to spread. I mean, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthday parties. Your place is gonna be the place. You can host the backyard boogies, right? Look at this bar, and they did exactly what I would have done with staging it with some extra chairs for extra space, right? And then look at this pantry. I'm okay with the pantry. Great sitting area as well for the other family members to eat at. Don't know if I would put a rug down, because if food waste, I probably would just keep it bare. But this is beautiful. Great ideas. You have the living room space. But I definitely would use the bar as a everyday eating space. Love this side over here. Because if you have multi-generational, like your mother-in-law moving in, father-in-law, they have this own little area here, and it's not a tub, so it won't be a tripping hazard for the most seasoned adults that stability may not be their best or lifting their legs high can be challenging. It's a walk-in shower for them. Covered patio, another feature that I am goo goo gaga about, right? So love the covered patio. This is the back. And look at the floors. I love the floors. Oh, fireplace. Beautiful, gorgeous fireplace. This kitchen. Hi, I'm Melissa Walker, and I don't know if this is your first time on this channel or if you're loving this home as much as I am. I am truly loving this home, and I can't wait to finish showing you. But quick commercial break. I am Melissa Walker, Walker Real Estate Group. Whether you're looking to buy a home in 7 days or 70 days or maybe a year from now, give me a call. We can sit down, schedule a time to go over what your plans are, what your needs are, what your desires are, and how we can best put together a plan for you to meet those desires, to meet your goals, right? So this home, I tell you, 4 bedrooms, 2 up, 2 downstairs, as well as a study, game room, and media center. Great. What else can you ask for? Well, let's see. The stairwell, square stairwell, very different. I love it though. What do you think? Tons of natural lighting. We have a fireplace. We have a nice sized backyard. Look, I don't want to spoil it. I love that primary and the primary bathroom, but I don't want to spoil it. Back to that. Back to the show. Don't forget the name, Melissa Walker, walking you through all your real estate needs. Give me a call. Are you looking to buy, sell, or even invest? Tell me what you need, and I am here to cater to all your real estate needs. Thank you again for watching. 409-692-7768. Back to enjoying this beautiful home. I hope you're loving it as much as I do. I want to make it home. Do you? I love the doors. And let's look up for just a moment. Look at that ceiling. Can we just take that ceiling home with us? And mud room, mud area, as well as look at all this space in this storage area. The the garage. 1. Then we have a hiding area here, extra storage. 2, 3-car garage, tankless water heater. Your breaker box is inside the house, so yeah, if it's pouring down raining, then you don't have to go outside to try to flip something if a breaker has blown, right? So, hey. Are you loving this home as much as I am? Now, I'm not for sure what the purpose of that is, but that's okay. We'll figure that out later, right? So now we're coming upstairs. This is for your family area, but you also have outside the family room, you also have the media room. And I love my media room. I love movie nights. I love being able to have an extra TV in case Somebody wants to play the PlayStation. Somebody else wants to watch something on TV. It's versatile. Look at that beautiful chandelier. Don't you love it as much as I love it? Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it a lot. Now we have our 2 bedrooms and a Jack and Jill. So this is our first secondary upstairs. And this is the 4-bedroom. Everybody has nice closets, which is important because everyone matters, right? We have the first vanity, toilet, sink, tub, and then we have our next sink, and we enter into our next bedroom. Closet here. Nice view. What do you think of the view? This bedroom. This window does not open, but this window does. Okay, so fire exit, fire safety is very important to me. Whenever I go look at a house, I'm always trying to figure out if there's a fire, how do we escape? What's the best route to get everyone out? So yeah, love these windows. So tell me, what do you think about this home?